swimming pool should be your happy place. You know, fun in the sun, maxing and relaxing all summer long. But swimmers are many times left with dry skin and itchy eyes because of the chemicals in the pool. In the past, homeowners and service companies rely on those chemicals to keep the pool looking clear. There is a way, however, to keep your pool looking great while using less chemicals. Ben and Derek are here from PoolRx to tell us more. Guys, tell me, what are homeowners typically dealing with?
Well, Chris, algae. Algae gets in the pool a number of different ways. Through the air, we as people bring it in on swimsuits, contaminated pool tools, even our pets bring algae into the pool, and nobody likes a green pool. So at PoolRx, we use mineral technology, EPA-registered proprietary formula of copper, silver, and zinc to kill and prevent all types of algae for up to 6 months. Green algae, black algae, mustard algae. Now the copper, that destroys the algae cell. The silver makes the chlorine more effective. And then the zinc reduces scale attachment to the side of the pool surface and also works with the copper to kill and prevent the algae. It's really important, Chris, to understand that algae is the #1 consumer of chlorine in the pool. So when a pool owner or a service company uses PoolRx to kill and prevent the algae, you can use a lot less chlorine and other chemicals in that pool, up to 50% less, and also reduce and eliminate the need for specialty chemicals such as phosphate removers altogether.
Derek, this is a game changer. And I know you're the founder of PoolRx. You're saying the minerals are actually doing a lot of the work.
Yes, that's correct, Chris. So you place the unit in the pump basket or the skimmer, and the minerals within 4 to 6 hours dissolve completely out of the unit and into the pool, forming a stable residual of the mineral within the pool. Those minerals kill the algae and bacteria wherever they are in the pool, and any minerals that have not been used up pass back through the cylinder, which is in the pump basket or the skimmer, and gets rejuvenated and goes back out, killing the algae and bacteria, providing a much better environment for you and your family to swim in. And we have various size units depending on your size of body of water. We go from a 100-gallon spa to up to a 5 to 6 million gallon water park that our product's in.
That's incredible. Now, we're talking about not just a better swimming experience, we're also talking about reduced costs, but you're also saying, Ben, it's ease of maintenance as well.
Yeah, we talk to a lot of pool service companies, and as much as they enjoy the cost savings from the chemical reduction, we really hear how much they appreciate the ease of maintenance that PoolRx brings. Less scrubbing, less brushing, no algae issues ever. And obviously, a pool owner would get all of those same benefits and spend less time maintaining their pool and more time enjoying it.
I tell you what, that is phenomenal news for pool owners. Andrea is the CEO of PoolRx, and she's also an Olympic swimmer. Andrea, I know you were telling me this is more than just a business for you. This is about giving back to the next generation.
Yes, absolutely. For us, it's more than creating the happy swims that we talked about. It's about giving back to communities. We consider it our social responsibility. We do that by creating student internships to help them transition from education to career and supporting the environment. Most of us are athletes, so we also help athletes reach our training, competition, and then eventually career goals as well.
And speaking of students, you actually brought some of them with you.
Yeah, there are a few lucky ones. They've joined us here, and they've learned a lot. We see them grow every day, and that's very rewarding for us.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for all you're doing, Andrea.
Thank you as well.
I had a dream to play for the U.S. national team, and PoolRx sponsored the pathway for me to get there.
PoolRx has enabled me to train in a full-time environment and travel the world playing rugby.
PoolRx provides real-world business experience through their student internship with the Chamber of Commerce. I'm here with Madison and Parker. Guys, tell me what this experience has been like for you. What would you say you've learned from it?
I feel like I've really learned some great life skills. Some of them are like confidence, flexibility, and time management.
Excellent. Maddie, how about you?
I feel empowered to be able to have the space to share my ideas.
So Andrea and Derek, I'm sensing at PoolRx, there's a bigger mission.
Indeed, Chris. As a family business, we create products for a healthier lifestyle for people, and the bigger mission is investing in younger generations.
This allows us to follow our true passion, which is giving back to the community.
Well, and you're doing that. As you can see, PoolRx is proving you can make a difference in your own backyard at any age. To learn more about PoolRx, visit their website, poolrx.com, or check out our website, designingspaces.tv.